Get into the 2024 Lincoln Aviator. Take a closer look at this captivating Aviator, the elegant midsize SUV that prioritizes comfort and performance. From its standard suite of driver assist tech to its premium entertainment system to its gusty power, this vehicle is designed to elevate all of your adventures. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, power liftgate, premium sound system, satellite radio, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, power passenger seat, alarm, heated front seat, dual zone AC. Get serious about your style. Get behind the wheel of this sophisticated Aviator. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.